December 3rd. Welcome back to another vloggy vlog. And today I'm back with another video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. If you're not new here, welcome back. Hey girl, hey. So y'all, happy vloggy vlog. It's Vlogmas. I'm not vlogging every day, which I think I already told y'all, or did I don't know. I think I did in the last vlog. I don't remember. But it's gonna be a new vlog because I ended one yesterday or Monday. My days is all messed up. Anyways, I'm on my break eating lunch in my car because it is so hot and there's no shade in the parking lot, so I always come to a park and eat my lunch now. I've been doing that the last couple of days. But yeah, I'm like, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all our pictures. Well, if you follow me on Instagram, you're gonna see pictures by the time y'all see this video, but I am going to post our holiday pictures because they do look cute. But y'all, like, I guess like seeing myself on a picture, it made me realize like how big I am. Like, this is crazy. Like, I don't let myself get too big. I'm gonna be honest, like, I know I said all the last couple of months, last 2 years that I'm gonna get on it, but no, for real, I really need to get on it. Like, I can't believe I let myself get this big, and I've only gotten bigger since the last time I've said I wanted to lose weight. Like, I be saying like, damn, it is what it is. Love yourself, love your body, but at the same time, it's like, girl, you gone too far gone. I've been eating like chia seed pudding for breakfast. It's real fulfilling. I do see people eat like overnight oats, but I don't like oatmeal. The last time I ate oatmeal was when I was breastfeeding Malia to give me so much milk. That's the last time I ate some. But I don't know, maybe I could try it, like a mixture of chia seed and the oatmeal, because it's supposed to be real fulfilling. I probably should go to Aldi's on my break to get chia seed, because I know that's like the cheapest place that has it. I'm trying to eat more veggies, also because I don't, TMI, but I don't poop a lot, so I'm trying to eat like most of the thing on my plate should be meat and veggies. So eat this, sit here for like 10 minutes, and then probably go to Aldi's. Yeah, cause I need to start holiday shopping for Malia. Really like, I don't know, it seems like now she's getting into the stage of a little bit of more toys, a little bit like, but it's like, damn, I don't want no more damn toys in the house. Like, I just gave away a whole bunch of toys. I think I told y'all that before as well. It's Malia's world. I'm just living in it. But yeah, y'all, let me stop yapping. I don't know when I'm gonna go shopping, but I need to go to Target because they got Barbie dolls, buy one get one half off, and Malia made like this wish list in school, which is very helpful because the only thing she told me that she wanted was makeup. And I need to go shopping to Target, obviously, without Malia. And I'll call you back. Bye. Ross is kind of annoying because it's like, what the hell I'm going to steal from the seconds from walking from the register to the door? Like, I don't understand that shit. I really don't. Hey y'all, so we are at McDonald's. We supposed to be inside the hibachi restaurant, but Malia don't like fire. And McDonald's is next door, so this is where we are. Yay. Say hey vlog.
Hey vlog. Did it style?
What?
Style.
Style? What style? Oh, you like your style? What happened? You spit?
This is not it on you.
Oh, you spit on me by accident?
Sorry, mommy.
Oh, it's hot. I'm hot because of the fire. Eat your nuggets so then you get your cookies, okay?
Okay.
Y'all, happy Friday. Oh my god, I'm so happy it's Friday. Y'all, when I say I've been waiting for this week to be over, I'm so tired, honey. I got some wine in the fridge. I got one more cup of water in the fridge. I cannot wait to get off. But of course, responsibilities first, so I'm not off yet. But I think I should have just hurry up and got off and then did my little shopping. Because I don't know. I think I should have just done that, but whatever. But y'all, like, eating clean is eating better, I would say, because I don't want to say I'm eating super clean, but eating better is just like going to the bathroom every day. Like, I'm not used to this. Like, I know it's TMI. I'm sorry, but like I told y'all, I'm trying to work on eating better because I want to lose weight, and then on top of that, like going to the bathroom. So it's crazy. It's a little, but like now I feel yucky. Like I just want to take a shower, and like every time I will poop, like if I was at home and I had to poop, I would immediately take a shower. So like me having to poop and I'm not home yet, like I feel yucky. But anyways, I did go to Target, which I showed y'all a little montage. The music was so loud in there, I was like, I can't. So they had the Barbie dolls, buy one get one 50% off, and then I got my friend baby something she had on her daughter's Amazon list, but they had it cheaper in Target, so that's why I went. And then I just got Maria her Chick-fil-A, because honey, after I get her from school and we go home, we might just like sit for a little bit, or maybe I shouldn't do that, but we need to go to the wash house, and then after that just relax, because we got a busy little weekend ahead of us. Because tomorrow I'm supposed to drop my mama to a wedding in Homestead, which is like an hour away. I hope y'all can hear me because I got this AC blasting. But yeah, so I'm glad I did get some shopping done, because I needed to get some shopping done while me not having Malia, and this is like my only real time that I wasn't gonna have her. So and then I want to try to see if I could take her to see some Christmas lights tonight. It's like in the it's not too far from where we go to the wash house at. I do want to start wrapping her gifts up and stuff. So that's 1, 2, 3 gifts. So I still did not find a Barbie helicopter. That's it. That's all for now. And if we do Christmas lights, that would be like a highlight of this vlog. Ooh. Hey vlog. I'm gonna say hey vlog. So y'all, my eyes is watering. Y'all, we still here, but we about to leave the laundry. Just did laundry. I almost didn't come, but y'all, I came. I was like, I gotta get it done because, excuse me, tomorrow is gonna be a busy day, and it's Sunday. It's gonna be crowded as hell, and it's empty as hell right now. So I'm glad y'all don't mind this either. So yeah, did the laundry. I just checked for the I was over here ordering stuff on my phone. We about to go see the Christmas lights. I hope it's not crowded. It says it's open until 11 p.m. It's 9:50 right now, so we're gonna go see the Christmas light. Malia, you ready to see some Christmas lights? Malia? She under the blanket. Malia, you ready to see some Christmas lights? Yeah, okay, look at the vlog. Say hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. She under the blanket. Yes. Yeah, so I had bought her Chick-fil-A earlier, child. You think she ate it?
Come on.
Huh? What you said? Huh? Girl. But yeah, let's go, because I am kind of tired. And my mom want me to roll her hair. Girl. But anyways, let's go see some Christmas lights. I know they like Bill, huh?
I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you.
vlog. Really? Why you got that in your mouth?
I'm sorry.
Hey, y'all. So, we didn't make it down to West Bubblefuck, which is in Homestead. The last exit before you got to get to Key West. Child. Oh, my gosh. So, I did...
Hey, vlog.
Hey, vlog. So, I did go to the Coach outlet. I didn't record because I kind of got just a little bit. I didn't get, like, frustrated real with the lady, but I actually she was restocking the wallets, and I was like, oh, do y'all have this wallet? Because I didn't see it, and it had said this location specifically had it, whatever. Then she was like, oh no, we don't have it. Okay, whatever. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna just order it online. But I was like, I've been watching this wallet for I don't know how many weeks, and it's always showed that's in stock. So I'm like, it maybe could be a coincidence, or maybe it could be a coincidence that it is out of stock for real, or she just didn't want to check. So I was like, let me just ask somebody else. So I did, because they was like, oh, do you need help? And then I was like, yeah, I seen this wallet and it says that y'all have it. Can you just check? I was like, oh, I said, no, it's okay, we about to leave. I wanted this denim wallet, but the lady said that y'all don't have it. She was like, oh, well, let me go check for you in the back or whatever. So she came right back, and it was back there. I'm glad I got my wallet. And, like, it's kind of cringe. Like, I got myself something, but I also wanted to get Malia something. But it's like, this is, like, my first time that I haven't done that. Like, every time I buy myself something or whatever, I always buy her something. Like, it is that mom guilt. That should be eating me up every single time. Like, it's crazy.
Why you put Billy's doing up?
Malia is going crazy.
Hi, vlog.
There's some ants. Break up.
Ah.
You want to do the TikTok? Let's do a
Timmy,
TikTok.
Timmy.
Run to me, run to me, run to me, confess your love, at least just say, confess your